everyone, my name is Kaseem. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about my trades. I always like to do, once a week, these trading videos where I show you how I'm trying to make money in the stock market. I day trade stocks, I buy and sell. Sometimes I make money, sometimes I lose money. And I currently am doing just normal naked calls and naked puts. Next year, I'm looking to be doing covered calls and covered puts as well. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm bringing you that content in the future towards next year. I just need to gather up some cash to be able to do that. But for now, I only do naked calls and naked puts. So in this video, we are going to talk about my trades for today and how I did today. So before we get into it, I urge you to go and check out some of the things that I have to offer on this channel. I'm a dividend investor, I'm a day trader, and I try that on this channel. The goal is to get to $1 million. This is the $1 million challenge. So welcome to the $1 million challenge. So yeah, let's get right into it. In today's video, we are going to talk about my trades for today. I traded SPY. And I was able to secure $41 today. Total of 16 trades. Buy and sell. When you buy is one trade. When you sell is another trade. And today we made 3 wins and 3 losses. I had a $30 loss here. I had a $21 loss, and I had a $7 loss. Then up here I had a $40 gain, $20 gain, and an $82 gain. So that offset all the losses, and I had a total of $81 in gains. So if you pop here and look at some of my trades. So what I've been doing lately is I've been trying to reduce the amount of trades that I do and only take the best trades. Take the best trades and the best setups. So that's what I've been doing lately. So let me share that with you guys really quickly so you can see how I did today. So the first trade was at 941, and I entered the trade. I bought it at $1. I bought it at $1. It was a put. It was a put. So I bought that at $1. This put right here, I end up selling it at, I bought it at $113. I'm sorry, $113, and I ended up losing on that, and I sold it for $78. And this was around 940. So let's go here and check the chart. So pop here and look at the chart here. Sorry about the messiness of this chart. Around 940, it was around this area. No, 940 would be around here. So I thought it would probably go down some more. But it ended up pushing upwards. It ended up pushing up. So this is a bit messy. Let me use this one for the second chart that I like to use that is not as messy. But this is also Ichimoku. I will be talking about this chart really soon. I'm releasing a video on it really soon. So that you can stay tuned for that. But what I did was this is Ichimoku, by the way. This is Ichimoku. I'll be explaining this. I have a video coming up on how this works, like really soon. Actually, let me use a different chart because I don't want to confuse you guys. Let me use a different chart. I'll be right back. You guys are so the first trade that I made was around 941. Like I said, it was around 941, around this area. So it was around 941, which would be right here. So I did a put option betting that it would keep on going back down, but that never materialized. It never happened. So what happened was it started, literally going back up. And then what I ended up doing was, let me bring my second chart here to show you guys what I ended up doing. What I ended up doing was I ended up selling it quickly. Basically, first thing that I did was this trade right here. I ended up leaving it and quickly jumping on the calls. Right, that's what I did. I quickly jumped on calls right here, and I jumped on it going up. So that's what I did. I jumped on calls going up here, and that's how I was able to secure. That's how I was able to secure right here. I secured like a couple of I think that's when I secured my first, let's see, this was when I secured like the first $20 or something like that. It was let me look at that trade again real quickly. It was the call. Yeah, there you go. It was one of these calls. So it was one of the first $40 and $20. The first two trades. That's how I secured that in the morning. And yeah, that's what I did. I was just buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, and I did a total of 16 trades. So the area that I mainly traded was just the morning. I traded the morning. So I did this area right here. I traded this area. So I traded that area, and I also traded this area. I traded this area of the stock, and then I also traded this area. So I finished trading around. My last trade was around 11:25 today, 11:25. So that's what I did. It was around 11:25. So it was around this area right here. So I traded the mornings, and I was able to secure $80, $81. So that was that. If you guys know anything about trading, go check out some of my videos that I already showed you guys step-by-step video on how to learn, how to trade, learning how to trade. That's the word, learning how to trade. So if you're interested, go check out that video. It's really insightful. So go check the video out if you're interested. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it for today. I don't really have much to add. I have a lot of videos teaching you guys, showing you guys step by step. Just go check out the TD Ameritrade playlist that I have. I have a lot of videos on there sharing everything with you guys step by step. So go check that out. Thank you again. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you. Until next time, take care and have a good one. Bye. Love you all.